Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok messages. To know how to fix or how to solve your TikTok messages, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of TikTok and you will enter. Then in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, here you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.